Dates can be written in different formats. Sometimes you may want to change the formatting or extract the day, month, or the year for some calculations. In such situations, you can use the function text. Let's take a look. In this example, we have few dates in different formats. For the first date, I want to extract the date 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. Looking at the date, we can't really be sure if the date is 4th or 3rd, as the date could be in the DD MMYY format or could even be in the MMDDYY format. A simple way to do that is using the text function. So let's write the text function. Text, the first parameter is value. I'll select A2 here as that's the day we need to work on. The next parameter is format text. I can either write DD in double quotes or I can refer to the cell B1. And I get the answer as 04, which is the 4th, which means our date is in DD MMYY format. The format DD returns the numeric date. If you write D 3 times, DDD, as it is indicated in cell C1, then we get the day of the week, like MON for Monday, TUE for Tuesday, etc. If I write D 4 times, like in cell D1, then we get the full names like Monday, Tuesday, etc. You'll notice these 9 different formats. Let's see what do each one of them return. I'll quickly adjust the references of the parameters. I'll make the first parameter as $A2 so that when we copy the formula right, it continues to refer the dates in column A. And I'll make the second parameter as $1 so that it can refer to the first row for formats as we copy the formula down. Copy the formula to all the cells. The results in column B to column I are straightforward. In column B, C, and D, it gives us different variations of days. In column E, F, and J, it gives us different variation of months. And in column H and I, it gives us 2 formats for the year. In the column J, I have created a custom format of date, DD:MM:YY:YY. And you see the text function returns the date in the same format. So you can use this function to define any format of your choice. So this is a very simple but a very useful function. I hope it will be able to solve some date related challenges that you may be experiencing while working in Excel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.